So next, getting into customer segments, what types of customers are key targets that a Grainger account manager could go to when talking about Bridgeport fittings?
Absolutely an advantage when you have the Bridgeport product offering and with a number of pieces of information from our literature, sell sheets, brochures, and even in our catalog. We've categorized products certainly by their product category, as we mentioned before, but also that market segment, the solar application. And I want to be clear, the solar application gives a tremendous opportunity with a breadth of products that relate to a wet location. So if you have a contractor that does a lot of rooftop equipment work, he can look at the brochure of solar products and see a product that's going to seal out water, maintain good equipment grounding and bonding characteristics. But to lead into this slide here for you, James, and to the group, the solar market is ever growing. It's the fastest growing market opportunity within our segments. Prefab, again, when you think of the work shortages, the labor issues that are out in the marketplace, contractors need to, if not doing already, evaluate products that can promote speed, accuracy, good workmanship out in the field, prefabricate an assembly in the shop, get it out to the field so that the guys can focus on installing, connecting, and terminating the equipment. And a third area of significant growth is the data center. When you think of all the transformers that are being installed, both floor and wall inside of a data center, Bridgeport has an array, no pun intended, to the solar market. We have a breadth of transition fittings that can help transition from EMT to flex metal conduit or greenfield, also from rigid conduit to liquid tight, just a lot of ways to have flexible connections into a number of the transformers that are being installed in a data center. So these three markets, solar, prefabrication, and then also the data center, has given us a great opportunity to promote our product lines and also show innovative ways to work fast, but also maintain good workmanship.
Now, regarding these markets, what are some trends that you're currently seeing regarding Bridgeport fittings?
And it almost ties into how we were gearing ourselves up from a manufacturing. There are macro trends out in the industry that certainly do affect how we go to market, how significant prefabrication is with the first one. Again, you look at some of the statistics, there's 7,000 new electricians, but there's 10,000 a year electricians are retiring. So the ratio of new electricians to the industry versus the retired demographic is certainly less. And so the lack of labor and workforce and skilled workers has created that prefab scenario. You look at the supply chain issues and China being so socio-economic to how products come into our country. Also, the way that they're elevating their own domestic, they're manufacturing for their own higher standard of living. So with that, and realizing that we can't be dependent on foreign supply, we're looking daily, weekly, monthly at items that we can bring back home and manufacture here in Stratford, Connecticut. You certainly see an uptick in U.S. manufacturing for us, but then also out in the marketplaces with manufacturing facilities being built, upgraded, warehousing and distribution facilities being built and upgraded, and those have given the Bridgeport technical sales manager, the regional sales manager, and our distributor partners the opportunity to go out and promote our product line, from the core products to all the new and innovative products that the Grainger locations have in stock. Lastly, the digitization, having better services, making it easier for a Grainger branch to get pricing, get supply, receive materials, all of those EDI, possibly VMI. Those different scenarios, we are upgrading our systems with ERP and warehousing as we speak, and that can only help to promote better availability. So these four areas are trends that help us grow our business and promote our product offering, but they're also prevalent here in our facilities, regionally and nationally in distribution facilities. So we have to stay with the times. When you think
Yep.
about the new innovative products, there's a category from Bridgeport Fittings called transition fittings. And you see some mock-ups behind me. Here's some transitioning from MC cable to EMT. It's a way to, again, key in, have the prefabrication shop cut EMT, deburr it, drill out wireways, get the installation, the erector set of sort ready for installation out in the field. And the men out in the field can run their branch circuits, their MC cable, and transition cleanly, neatly, less cable management needed. Again, these new innovative products are tying in nicely with the fact that we have to be quicker, promote good workmanship with fewer men out in the field. And so it's been an opportunity for Bridgeport to show our labor-saving products, problem-solving products,